Okay, for next question, it's given that a body is rolling on the ground with a velocity of 1 meter per second, and after traveling a distance of 5 meters, it comes to rest. We have to find the coefficient of friction, and G has to be 10 meters per second square. So let's say this is a body that is rolling on the ground, and its initial velocity is 1 meter per second, and the final velocity is 0. It comes to rest, and the distance traveled by it is 5 meters. We have to find the coefficient of friction. So before that, let's find the acceleration. So we know that v square minus u square is equal to 2 into a into s, distance traveled. V is 0, u is 1, and distance is 5. So acceleration is equal to minus 1 by 10 meter per second square, where negative shows that the acceleration is decreasing, and that is a retardation. We have to find the coefficient of friction. So we know that the coefficient of friction is given by the force of friction on the normal. So force of friction is m into a upon normal is m into g, which gets cancelled. So a is 1 by 10, the magnitude, and g is 10. So coefficient of friction is 1 by 100, which gives us the value 0.01. The coefficient of the friction is 0.01. To like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.